Hello everyone. Today I have created a sports scheduler where the admin manages the sports and the several players joins the sessions that are created by the admin. This is the server.js code. Now let's run it. Now let's run node server.js. When I run it, the server is running. By clicking on this link, we get the website. This is the home page of the sports scheduler. This is a sports management homepage. This is there is login and register. If there is no account, let's register. If there is account, just login. First, let's register. Let's create a new account here. After entering the name, mail, and password, there are options user or admin. Now let's join as admin and register. Now the account is created. Now let's log in. After logging in, this is the admin dashboard. Here, there we can create sport. Let's create a sport of kabaddi. After creating there in the sports section, it shows the kabaddi sport. After deleting it, it will be not shown. We can also create a session. Let's create a session for the kabaddi in a particular date and some particular venue. Now create a session. All the sessions will be displayed here. The session of kabaddi created right now shown here. Now let's log out and go to the player dashboard. Now log in with the player details. After login, this is the player dashboard with the player name. These are the available sessions that are created by the admin. Now the player can join by join session button. After joining, this is the details of the session by the player. Now let's log out. Now log in through the admin details. After logging to the admin dashboard, this is the dashboard. Now let's create another sport. Let's say cricket. The cricket dashboard is sport is created in the dashboard. Now let's create a session for the cricket. After creating the session, these are the sessions of Kabaddi and cricket. The session that is created right now is this. Now let's delete the previous session. After deleting the previous session, only the present session is displayed and the before session is not displayed. Now delete the sport. Now let's log out and log in through the player dashboard to player details. This is the dashboard of player. The available sessions is that cricket. In the previous session, there is kabaddi. Now, as it is deleted by the admin, there is only cricket session. Now, the user can join. After joining, these are the details of the join session. Now, let's log out and log in through the admin dashboard. After logging to the admin dashboard, in the view reports, we can see all the session details that are created. Now, let's go back. Let's go back to the home page. This is the home page. Now let's see the code. This is the code for the server.js which I have created. This is admin dashboard code. This is the code for the dashboard EJS file. This is the code for the login EJS file. This is the code for the player dashboard EJS file. This is the code for the register EJS file. This is the code for the reports.ejs file. This is database.js file. Let's go to pjdadmin. This is the PostgreSQL. We can see the session players and the reports generated. Here in the session players, in the table have the columns of ID, session ID, player ID, joined at, and in the sessions, the details with the table ID, sport ID, create ID, data, venue created at. In the sport, there are details in the table ID and name. As only created a cricket data, there is only cricket here. And in the users, the table consists of details with the columns of ID, username, email, password, and role. These are the users' details that are used the website. Thank you for watching.